Hi everyone, and welcome to My Good Brain's January Sunday Art Club, the first one of the new year. We have changed our format a bit, creating space for you to tap into Sunday Art Club and get creative when it works best for you. Moving forward, you can find all our Sunday Art Clubs right here on our YouTube channel. So, let's get creative and jump into this month's activity. Today, we are going to create a neurographic watercolor painting. But first, what is neurographic art? Neurographic art is a creative process developed by psychologist Pavel Piskarev. It's a drawing technique that connects the conscious mind, like the things you are aware of, and the unconscious mind, the things that we might not be aware of or need a little extra time to recall or reflect on, things like memories, how we think, and process information. By practicing mindfulness, the process of anchoring to the present moment, we can create a piece of art that helps us respond to big emotions, stress, and find our place of calm. The best part about it, whether you are an inspiring artist perfecting your craft or just trying it out for the first time, anyone can do it. There's no right or wrong way, just the way that is perfect for you. Let's get started by gathering our materials and setting up our space. To create your painting, you need a blank piece of paper, a black marker, usually a thick one works best, watercolor paint, a paintbrush, and a white crayon or a black pen. These will come in handy for the details. To set up your space, you can turn on some music that helps you feel calm and reflect on how you feel, or find a quiet space where you can get comfortable and feel relaxed. You may want to grab a journal or extra piece of paper so that you can write or draw any thoughts, feelings, or reflections that come up along the way. Feel free to pause this video and set up your space. Ready? Let's get started. Taking a moment to reflect on how you feel and what's on your mind. Maybe it's a feeling you want to explore, or maybe it's a problem you've been working to solve. Take some time to think about what feelings are present, emotions and thoughts, what sensations are present, how your body feels. First, take your marker and draw a line doodle that reflects that feeling or problem. A few tips. Use intention. Move slowly and watch your line doodle dance across the paper. Don't worry about making it perfect. Zigzags, loops, waves, and more. Whatever comes to mind for how you are feeling is exactly how it's supposed to be. Next, find any overlapping lines. Smooth these intersections from V shapes into smooth U shapes by following the path of the line and using your marker to thicken those spots. Repeat for all intersecting lines and continue to reflect on how you are feeling or a problem you are working to solve. Once you have turned all your V shapes into U shapes, it's time to paint, doodle, and reflect. If using a white crayon, fill open spots with patterns and doodles. Then use watercolors to help the white crayon appear like magic. If using a pen, start with watercolors and add your color. Once dried, add in details, doodles, and more. Here are a few things to think about. What do you see in your painting? Maybe you see a face or a butterfly, or maybe you see a pattern or different shapes. What drew you to different colors and doodles? How do they reflect your feelings? Lastly, take a moment to think about how you feel after your painting versus before. Notice what has changed or what has stayed the same. You can use this type of drawing almost anywhere. All you need is a blank piece of paper and a drawing utensil. You can choose to use color with crayons, colored pencils, and more. Or you can leave it black and white and fill in the spaces with stripes, dots, and other patterns. Practicing mindfulness with things like neurographic art can help us to focus on a feeling or problem and give us space to process. Doing so helps us find our calm place and clear our minds to help us feel our best. Thank you for joining us. Find more Sunday Art Club activities here on My Good Brain's YouTube channel. Sign up for our emails to be the first to know when a new lesson debuts. See you next time!